Welcome to Mr. Chalk's Revision Tips. In this video, we will look at... Thanks for watching.
Organic farming and intensive farming. Organic farming uses natural methods to grow food. So this means that using organic fertilizers and pesticides such as animal slurry and natural predators and no artificial fertilizers or pesticides. Use from organic crops are initially low, but they can increase over time until they are in line with inorganic crops that can be grown. Farmers using organic methods will use other ways to combat pests and disease. So these include spraying with natural chemicals obtained from other plants, picking pests such as caterpillars off by hand, placing natural predators of the pests into the crops, growing or grown amongst the crops other plants that repel insects. So the methods used in organic farming are likely to cause less damage to the environment than synthetic chemicals used in intensive farming. Intensive farming is an agricultural method that uses mechanization and aims to maximize yields from the available land through various means, such as heavy use of pesticides and chemical fertilizers. So farmers using intensive methods of agriculture combat pests and diseases by spraying their crops with chemicals that can kill the pests or the disease organisms. So these chemicals are synthetic compounds produced by the chemical industry. However, some of the chemicals used by farmers may also kill off harmful insects such as bees. Furthermore, the chemicals may get into water supplies or food chains, harming other wildlife. So just looking away just from farming crops, so this is another question that could come up. Some people think that intensive farming pigs is unethical. Suggest two other possible disadvantages of intensive farming methods. So some of the key things that you need to talk about is that diseases can spread more rapidly, and antibiotics, especially when we're going and we're looking at animals, can build up in the food chain. So explain how efficiency is increased by intensively farming pigs. Some of the things that you could talk about is that less energy is lost because the pigs aren't using energy to try and stay warm. So less energy is being used by them for movement. So more energy is available for growth, and less energy in general is transferred to the environment.